Say good morning. I'm here today to talk about a new product that MTS has a 775 horsepower tractor. And what we're trying to do is for our customers, give them an advantage on earth moving projects so they can move more yardage than the competition. In the earth moving world, scrapers are growing more and more from the tractor scraper aspect. The tractor I'm seeing here today is a creation of Mobile Track Solutions. The product, this is Proto 1. We'll have 5 protos altogether. This will leave the show and it'll go to the Caterpillar facilities for transmission testing, and then it'll be August time frame. We'll have it in the field. And we've done some really neat things. It has a floating front axle, which is a 3-point suspension. And it's a little bit different than the world of 3-point suspension. Most suspensions like that, the third point goes back to the center frame, where ours fastens on the front. If you guys run this tractor, the ride that you're going to have with it is phenomenal compared to the industry. And that all relates to more bank cubic yards per hour for our customers. So we can basically hit a 10-inch bump or curb at 10 miles an hour, and the machine won't affect the operator at all. You can keep right on producing. I've had the chance to run heavy equipment pretty much all my life for about 50 years now, and we built a cab so it's for visibility, so during operations you can have a lot clearer line of sight at the work you're doing, and we built something that's just second to none. So we kept the mechanical side in mind. We have all flat glass that can be replaced in like NASCAR style. The inside in that, we've actually got a seat in there. It's like a barber's chair, so all the controls actually move with you as you run the machine. So in scraper operations, there's a lot of times you might want to look back at what's going on, and our seat actually pivots 180 degrees. It makes it very simple for the operator to get in and out. Plus, your range of motion to see the site as far as from the safety world is second to none in the industry. With those features, we're able to eliminate the steering wheel, which in the world of earth moving is a fatigue thing for the operator. And when you're turning the steering wheel 5-6 times to turn direction, then back and forth, it's a huge fatigue. When in the maintenance world, everything is from a ground level. You can see I'm standing next to the fuel tank here. You can fuel it from the ground. Our fuel tank also works as a counterweight, so we didn't have to put necessary castings or plate to offset for the weight we use at the fuel itself. We have the air filters here you can do from the ground level. Our transmissions all from the ground level. The hydraulics are all from the ground level. The tractor has a special feature called torque vectoring for the hydraulics. So a normal tractor takes, you take away 125 horsepower to 150 horsepower when you activate the hydraulics with scraper tractors. And what happens in the load feature, when you do that, you're running short on power trying to load, and then you move the hydraulic lever, and all of a sudden it takes away another 125 horsepower. So our torque vectoring, when you touch the hydraulics, we get 150 horsepower boost to our system. So from now on, when the operators are running the MTS machines, you go to lift the bowl because you're cut too deep, but it gives it a power surge that the tractor is going to actually gain momentum versus lose momentum. So it's a really nice feature on the hydraulics. Same way when you're dumping on a stockpile, you go to open the lip and run the ejector. Instead of bogging the tractor down, it'll actually give it a surge of power. Your cycle times will be better. In MTS, we believe in moving dirt by the second. In the earth moving world, it comes down to each second that you move dirt. And we've dialed it in this machine to give you the maximum productivity and profitability in the industry. So hopefully you guys will have a chance to come see us, and I think you'll enjoy the experience.